Welcome back. In this video now, we are going to be talking about merging cell. We see how we can merge cell together. Our previous video we made this table, but this record, employee record, was not added. So I add the employee record. You see all these cells taking 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want it to extend along this line. So what do? I have to merge the whole of this cell. How do we merge cell? So I will highlight everything together. Then you see merge cell. Simple as that. So I'll just merge the cell. Then I can align this employee record to the middle. So you see I have merged that cell. Next, we're going to be talking about cell margin. Cell margin. This between this line here and this A is a margin. So now if I want this margin to move a bit inside to the right, I can select the table, then I'll go to my cell margins. So I'll click on my cell margin. From top, you can adjust it from top, from bottom, from right, from left. So let's increase this one. So I'll just increase this one. I'm taking it from the left. I'll increase it. I'll say okay. You see our margin from left to right has shifted. So that is how to adjust cell margin. Just in case you are having issue understanding anything in this table, you can leave your comments in the comment section. Then I will do as much as I can to make you understand. So that is adjusting cell margin. So the next thing, now we are going to be splitting the cells in a table. I'll just have a little table here. I'll make it just one column here. So I'll adjust it like this. Okay, I'll call it rating key. It's rating key. I'll press my tab to create another one for me. I'll say excellent. This excellent. But now I need at least the key to rate excellent. So what I will do is I will now split cell. I'll go back to my layout. I'll say split cell. I'll split cell. Then now I want just okay, I'm okay with this one. So I will click. You see now the upper cell is a single cell. Then I have splitted this particular cell. So I can have this one as excellent is as a. I'll centralize this one. Then when I press my tab, you see it created another one for me. So that is how to split cell. So we move forward now to splitting table. We split table. So I'll just make this one. I'll delete this row. Sorry, I was make this mistake. So I'll delete row. Okay, now I'll just copy this data, and paste it again. Just repeat it. Now look at this table. Looking at this table, so I can just click any cell. I'll click cell. I want this table splitted from here, so I'll just click on this one. Then I'll say split table. Let's go again in case you don't understand. So I'll go again. Now I have my cursor here. It's blinking here, so I am indicating that the table should split from this point. Okay, let's split from here. So I will indicate that this table should split from here. I'll put my cursor here, and I'll go to my layout. Then I'll now split table. You see the table has splitted into two. So I'll go again here. I'll split table. So I'll split table. You see that I've been able to split this single table into three. So that's how to split table. Next, we are going to be looking at some function, inbuilt function, though we are going to talk more on some of these calculation function more in Excel, but we just look at few of this calculation here. So I'll say what do I say here now? Okay, 1000. Price 12,000. Now, first we look at summation. So I can easily sum this total above. I can sum this total. We're using Microsoft inbuilt function. So come, let me just align this one. I just align it to right. Okay. Okay, now, okay, what's the total of this one? One 13, 14, 400, 15, 400, 16, 17, 400. So let's see if our calculation will be correct. So I'll just go to my layout tab, then click formula. Click formula. Then now you see automatically it has detected that I want to sum something above. So I will say sum above. So I'll just click. So this is our total 19,400. So that is to sum. Then we look at, we can get the average of these numbers here. So the same way, I'll go back to my formula. I'll say average instead of um, sum. So I'll just change this one to average. I'll say this is the average sum of these numbers here. Likewise, the same thing, I can still get my maximum number. I'll get my maximum number. I'll just say mass and say okay. Okay, the maximum number here is 12,000 here. Then now you can as well get the minimum, still the same way. So you can get the minimum. I'll just say min, then I'll say okay, minimum here is 1000. So that is, for now, that is all for table in Microsoft Word. In case you have any issues, you are finding any parts difficult to understand, make sure you drop your comment in the comment section below, and I will do as much as I can to attend and make you understand. Thanks for watching the video again. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. Share my video so that it can be recommended to other users.